Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install VLC media player on Mac. So first of all we need to download VLC. So just Google download VLC for Mac. So here go to the first option. So in this page you will find a link, just click it and it will start downloading VLC file. So in my case I have already downloaded it. So this is the downloaded file. Once the downloading is done, just click on this file and it will start the installation process. So when you see this window, click on this icon, hold your click and move it to the application folder. So this installation part is done. Now just go to Launchpad and you can see VLC application here. Thank you very much for watching.